So, how did Copper RTV solve my exhaust leak problem? Well, I have a 1996 K1500, and I had a major exhaust leak coming out between the flange of the cats and the intermediate straight pipes before my mufflers. And I got like the lowest reading on the post-cat sensor on Bang 2. It was 0.020, like it was like nothing. It was extremely lean, very extremely lean. And so I crawled on the truck and saw white smoke because it was cold enough that you could see that. And I didn't want to take the time to actually take the flange off. So what I actually did is just went to Napa, gooped it up with the copper stuff because it's more made for exhaust work anyway. And it completely sealed it. And now the O2 sensor for the post cat on Bang 2 actually has a higher reading. It actually reads about 800 now, or 0.800 now when it's running. It's still kind of cold, and that's why it's kind of running a little rich, but completely solved the leaking problem. However, I'm still having very quiet exhaust, and I don't know if that's just the nature of the magnaflows I have, even though they're 11-inch bodies. Like, people are like saying if you're going to get magnaflows and you don't want to go loud, don't get smaller than 14. I have 11s and they're quiet. So quiet. They still haven't broken in yet. They probably have about 40k on them right now. So they're still not even close. But that's how I solved my exhaust leak problem, because I got like really major fluttering issues, and I googled it and they said, oh, it could be like a leak before the mufflers, and sure enough, yeah, it was. So thanks, RTV, for fucking sealing some shit. Bah.